basahin natin mga messages from the students to Ma'am Chona Cheers. Dear Mom, thank you. Your teachings and how we learn. Natataraling po niyo po na. Ang tayo daw. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am. Okay. To my former teacher, hi Mom. Oh, this is from my grade 9 students, year 2022. Hi Mom, happy Teacher's Day. I would like to express my gratitude and appreciation for all your efforts and love. Happy Teacher's Day once again. Thank you, Mom. From Secret. Next. Thanks for being such a great teacher. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom. Another one. Let me read this. Happy Teacher's Day. Alam ko, na-wrong siya kay Dear Class Advisor. Hello? Dear Advisor. I hope this message finds you well. I just wanted to take this time to thank you for all of your hard work and dedication to our class. Your guidance, support, and encouragement have been instrumental in our academic and personal growth. You have always been there to listen, offer advices, and push us to be the best versions of ourselves. Thank you for being an exceptional role model and for going above and beyond to ensure that we succeeded. Your efforts have not gone unnoticed, and we are grateful for all that you do. Again, thank you for your unwavering commitment to our class. We are lucky to have you as our advisor. Hello, feel ko na sa'yo niyo siya uhapan pero wala ko advisor class. Next, let me read this one. Wow, cutie. Sige, to Ma'am Chona. Wow, cutie. Happy Teacher's Day. Dear Ma'am Chona. Hi Mom, happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for teaching us not just from the book but also about life lessons. Wow, marites ba niya si Ma'am? We're grateful for everything you do. Sorry kung badungan me but we really do appreciate you. Yay! You're welcome. Next. Next, happy Teacher's Day. Dear Mom, happy Teacher's Day, Mom. Thank you for your tireless efforts, dedication, and patience in nurturing the students' growth and development. Your commitment to education is a true testament to your love and care. Thank you, Mom. We love you. Next, dear Mom Chona. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am. Thank you for making our class fun and for always encouraging us to do our best. We know you have a lot on your plate, but you're still take care of us. We're so grateful for. You're welcome. Next, dear Mom Chona. Thank you for being a good teacher and our second mother. Thank you for teaching us well and treating us as your son and daughter. Mom Chona, continue being a good teacher. You're so pretty, kind, and you're such a great second mother. I wish I had a mother like you. Yay! Another, like siya with butterfly. Charles. Ilan si Kuani? Klaro kay Angie? Happy Teacher's Day. Hi, Ma'am Chona Bells. Dr. Wala, Jumong Pisa ng Chona Bells. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am. Thank you kaayo sa mga chika, hatcheries. Bitaw, Ma'am. Thank you kaayo sa mga tabang diri na mo. No words can express my gratitude to you and you're an amazing teacher, Ma'am. Stay pretty and kind. Remember, always meant to solve your problem. I love you, Ma'am Chona Bells. I love you all. From Secret. With crush to. Joke lang. Next. Happy Teacher's Day. Asa man eh? Design. Sige. Hi Mom, I just want to let you know, Mom, that we are very thankful to have you as our teacher. Thank you for teaching us valuable lessons and thank you for also for teaching us how to respect each other. Next, this is for former students. Hi Mom, Chona, happy Teacher's Day. Thank you sa tanan and God bless always now and don't stress because makasira yung teacher is hello. Feel ko na stress na po nasira ang meeting. Bitaw Mom, love you and again, happy Teacher's Day. Thank you, Secret. Agoy. I love you Mom, kaman eh. Bingung ang gani. Next. Hi Mom, happy Teacher's Day. Oh, from my former students po. Hi Mom, happy Teacher's Day. Thank you guys sa pagigugma na mo. Charis. Bitaw Mom, thank you small learnings. Nga we'll learn from you. We are beyond grateful to feel your love and care for us. Thank you for being part of our junior high school journey, Mom. God bless you always. Oh, you're welcome. We sa senior high school. Next, wow, we designed. Kidding. Dear Mom, happy Teacher's Day, Mom. You are one of the best teacher for me. Thank you sa yung mga praises na ako na most punctual. To be honest, Mom, huwag yung kumino. Stay, grabe dito, no? Stay pretty, Mom. Ayaw pa stress kayo, mas-single niya ka. O kahatala, lili na dyan ni pretty. No, mas-single ko balik. Thank you and God bless. Happy Teacher's Day. Your former platinum yan and SSLC member. Officer na ko before. Another. Wow, taas yung kayo. Thank you for being a chapter in my story. Thank you so much, Mama. Wala tayo naman ako nangabilan sa school. I love you more. Isa ka pa ng school stuff na. So let me read this one. Hi, Ma. I just want to say thank you sa tanan kayo ng na ako. I learned a lot from you. I love the way you smile. Cutie. Kaayo, God. Anyways, thank you sa mga advice. And madalitan ako po yung makalitan katong gisay nung sana trust the process. Kaya na kaya ni mo na ko. So, ikaw ba? Laban lang. Ako masige naglaban. Pwede akong i-advise ko mga kanana. You have no idea kung ano sa ma-feel na ko every time opportunity mo din response ka. Happy kayo kung nagka nagka-note I used to call you mama. I don't know pero mas prefer na akong tawagin kang mama. Yes, sure. Problema na. I hope dili ka ma-change. Stay kind, stay pretty and more. Okay. Okay, kung kailangan mo ko ano. Deleted. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. I love you, mama. Chuchu. Sincerely yours. Secret. Another. Good design. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Chona. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting guro. Ang Tagalog yun. Nalibot yun ako sa amin po. Salamat sa pagtuturo mo na naintindihan ko. Kahit pasaway kami, mahal ka pa rin namin. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am. We'll continue. Next, we have... Saan ko open? Uy, ito mas mo. Tadaan, kibojin. Kibojin nga, historian ko kita. Tadaan! Charles, lo. Happy Teacher's Day. You are the best teacher for me, Ma'am Chona. From, saan mo nagikon niya? Hello, anonymous. Sige, pero kinumdog kasi katan ako ni kanina. Kaya na ko stick-on eh. Another stick-on design. Let me read this one. Again. What design ko? Dear Ma'am Chona, Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am. I was lucky to have a teacher as wonderful as you are. Your totally inspiring individual has taught me so much more than simply curriculum. Wishing you a very happy Teacher's Day. Thank you. And the last one is from the SSLG. I mentioned the video. Yeah, not as a picture. Okay. So thank you so much, students. Thank you. I'm grateful for that. So grateful for your letters. And for your gifts. Thank you so much. Very love ng teddy bear. And here, thank you. Wala pa isa ka message from Mrs. Ojin. Okay.